So I picked the second scenario where the 4-year-old gets upset that she can't see the hearts when she's wearing the skirt over the pants. So if I was in this situation, I'm gonna just talk like I'm talking to my kid. So if she's frustrated, said those mean things about me, I would come up to her and I would get on her level and I'd say, "Sweetie, are you feeling frustrated right now? It sounds like you're frustrated. It sounds like you're really angry, maybe a little sad. Yeah, does it feel like you're angry or sad? Do you feel it in your body? Do you feel it in your tummy? I feel mine in my shoulders when I get angry, and I don't like feeling angry. Yeah. Well, when we're angry, sometimes we say things that we don't really mean, and what you said was kind of mean to me. I know. How about we do something to calm down? How about we can take some deep breaths together? We can, do some of your butterfly taps, or I can get some paper and we can rip some paper out. Because, sometimes we just need to let that anger out. Because right now you're angry and you're not making good choices and you're still feeling really angry towards me. And that makes me sad. I feel sad in my body. So you want to take some deep breaths? Okay, let's take some deep breaths. Yeah, that's really good. Yeah, those are really good deep breaths. I'm really proud that you took some good deep breaths. So now that we've kind of calmed down, we can't say those mean and hurtful things because it hurts my feelings. And you wouldn't want me to say those mean and hurtful things to you. No, we don't like that. So what we need to do is we need to not say those things, even if we're feeling frustrated and we just want to kind of be mean to the other person that we're frustrated with. We need to not say those things. So let's see what we can do about the pants, and then we'll talk about future frustrations. Okay, how does that sound good? Okay, so you really want to see the hearts and you want to wear the skirt over the pants. Okay, so the party's at school, so why don't you just wear your pants so your friends can see all the awesome hearts on your pants, and then when you get home you can put your skirt on and you can wear your skirt at home. That way you can have both, but your friends and you get to see all the awesome hearts while you're having your party at school, and then at home you can rock your skirt and it'll be super cool. Does that sound good? You like that idea? Okay, then let's do that. So we'll do that. So now we need to talk about future frustrations, because we can't talk to each other that mean when we're frustrated. Okay, so in the future, if you can feel it in your shoulders and in your body that you're frustrated, then you need to either come to me and I can help you calm down, or you need to take some deep breaths by yourself. Okay,